Relationships thrive on connection. Couples often find themselves drifting apart. Shared goals act as a beacon, guiding couples back to a path of togetherness. Like a shared compass, goals provide direction and purpose, fostering a sense of unity and teamwork. Shared goals are not merely tasks to be checked off a list. They represent shared dreams, aspirations, and values that bind a couple together. When partners work together towards a common objective, they create a shared history of experiences, memories, and accomplishments. This shared journey strengthens the bond between them, fostering a sense of partnership and mutual support. Studies by the Gottman Institute have shown a strong correlation between shared goals and relationship satisfaction. Couples who regularly engage in goal-setting activities report feeling more connected, supported, and optimistic about their future together. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights on building strong, fulfilling relationships. Shared goals act as building blocks in the foundation of a strong and fulfilling relationship. Each milestone achieved together, no matter how small, contributes to a sense of shared accomplishment and strengthens the bond between partners. The process of working towards shared goals also enhances communication within the relationship. Couples who regularly discuss their goals, track their progress, and celebrate their successes together create a positive feedback loop of communication and encouragement. Moreover, shared goals foster a sense of intimacy and emotional connection. When partners support each other's dreams and aspirations, they demonstrate a deep level of care and understanding. This emotional investment strengthens their bond and creates a sense of shared purpose. The act of supporting each other's goals, celebrating successes, and providing comfort during setbacks strengthens the emotional connection between partners. It is in these moments of shared vulnerability and triumph that true intimacy is fostered. Shared goals can encompass various aspects of a couple's life together. From personal growth to financial stability, the possibilities are endless. One common goal is personal growth. Couples can support each other's educational pursuits, career aspirations, or hobbies. Another important area is relationship milestones. This could involve planning for a future together, such as moving in, getting engaged, or starting a family. Financial stability is another common goal. Couples can work together to achieve shared financial goals like saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or paying off debt. Shared goals can also revolve around adventure and exploration. Creating a bucket list of travel destinations or experiences can add excitement and anticipation to the relationship. Finally, prioritizing health and wellness is crucial. Couples can embark on a journey of fitness together, adopt healthier eating habits, or find ways to manage stress together. Section 4. SMART Goals, a blueprint for success. Setting goals is only the first step. To increase the likelihood of success, couples can use the SMART Goals framework. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals clearly define what needs to be achieved. Measurable goals have criteria for tracking progress. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable, preventing discouragement. Relevant goals align with the couple's values and aspirations. Finally, time-bound goals have deadlines, which helps maintain motivation and accountability. By following these guidelines, couples can set themselves up for success and avoid common pitfalls. Section 5. Balancing act. Shared goals and individual dreams. While shared goals are essential, it's equally important for individuals within the relationship to maintain their own identities and pursue personal aspirations. A healthy relationship allows space for both shared and individual growth. Open communication is key to finding this balance. Partners should feel comfortable expressing their individual needs and desires, ensuring neither person feels pressured to sacrifice their own aspirations for the sake of the relationship. Remember, a relationship is a partnership, not a merger. Each individual brings their own unique strengths, passions, and dreams to the table. By supporting each other's individual growth alongside shared goals, couples create a dynamic and fulfilling relationship where both partners can thrive.